Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here a comparison review of two outdoor smartwatches, rugged smartwatches from Kospet. We have here the first one. It is a popular outdoor smartwatch, okay, a circular body frame, the Kospet Tank T2, and we have here one of the newest, okay, outdoor rugged smartwatch, the Tank S1. So this one, it is built, okay, for with a much bigger body frame, while the other one we have is slimmer profile, okay, that I guess it is marketed for women who love to have a rugged outdoor smartwatch. So we are going to compare, okay, the design, okay, as well as the specs and the features available on these smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, especially for the Tank T2 and Tank S1, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, so let's start. As you can see here, they almost have the same box packaging, okay, and it states here, as you can see, it's a military grade, okay, 810H, okay, rated. The same with the Tank S1, okay. So both do have a durable body build, and when it comes to specs, the Tank T2 do have a 1.43-inch, okay, AMOLED display, and here for the Tank S1, it has a much slimmer body frame. We have the 1.3-inch AMOLED display. Okay, for the specs here, so both run the 8763EW Realtek, okay, processor. Okay, the same 70 sports mode, the same Bluetooth calling with one switch, 10 to 15 days battery life. So this one, it has a 12 days for the Tank S1. Okay, they almost have the same sensor here. Okay, so let's check on the design. Okay, so for the Tank T2, we have here a big body built frame with its charging cable, and we have the strap here. For the Tank S1, we have here a much slimmer profile, okay, and a white color. Okay, so let's check. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so I remove it from the straps, okay, so we can see the difference when it comes to the build and the weight of the body frame. Okay, and at the same time you can see the, okay, how the smartwatch looks, okay, on the back's packaging. Okay, let's put it back. So I have here the Tank T2, okay, and we have the Tank S1. Okay, so as you can see here, so it is much heavy. We have the physical button, so rectangular for the Tank S1, while for the Tank T2, while for the Tank S1 we have a circular button. Okay, so there is a dedicated sports button here, and we have a return button. While for the Tank T2, there's only two buttons here. You have the power and the sports. Okay, so here for the sports, so different UI. Okay, so let's check on the weight. Okay, so 0 so we have 51 grams for the Tank T2, while for the S1 we have almost half. Oh no, we have 29-30, so less than 20 grams. So as you can see, very lightweight for the Tank S1, but still they have the same durable body frame, as you can see here. Okay, let me show it to you. So 12 12 military grade test for the Tank T2, and for the Tank S1, the same 12 military grade test. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the design. Okay, the same metal bezel here, beautiful. I'm impressed with the design of both smartwatches here. Okay, on the side, on the back. So it is a metal frame for the Tank S1. While for the Tank T2, we have a PC material. I think PC material is much better, especially if you're sweating. Okay, we have here on this side. Okay, so I think they both are using AMOLED screen display and with a Corning Gorilla Glass screen. Okay, for the UI, so let's see. Okay, so as you can see here, they almost have the same UI, the same features, always on display. The bottom part, we have the notifications. On the side, we have the menus. Okay, so quick access to the different functions on the right side. So different UI here, or the same, I think the same UI. Okay, blood pressure, we have the weather, so full screen here. All this one, we have here rectangular design for the weather. Okay, power, back. Okay, for the menus, let's see here. Call, again, workout, heart rate, daily activities. Okay, we also have a blood pressure. The same features here. UI, let's see. Okay, just a minor difference. Breathing exercises. Okay, sleep monitoring, weather. Okay, the same UI here, just different arrangement. Okay, alarm, music, voice assistant, timer, calculator. Let's see. Settings, toolbox. So we have a toolbox here. We have a toolbox here for the S1. Let's see. Okay, I don't see any toolbox. Okay. It's already here outside, I think. Or maybe it's available in the settings. Okay, settings. So we have the watch faces. Always on display option. Okay, language, date and time, brightness, raise to wake, sound settings. Is there a sound setting for the T2? Okay, so we have here the sound vibration. We have automatic sports recognition for the S1. Let's see, oh, we also have it here. So let's check. Okay, at this 5, sports recognition. So the same function here, the same option. Okay, it's also using the Kospet Support App. But I find the screen display of the Tank S1 much better, I think. Okay, so let's go for the sports. Okay, press, and we have the different sports function, as you can see here. Okay, so we have I think much better UI for the S1. 70 sports modes is available for both. Okay, so let's check one of the sports here. Outdoor running. We have an outdoor running here. Okay, we have an outdoor running for the Tank T2. There's a big improvement for the UI with the Tank S1, I think. So the same data. Okay, sports data. So it monitors for the heart rate, distance, pace, and the time. Okay, going back. I think the back button here is very helpful for the S1. Okay, it's a good thing that they added this feature. It's hard if there's no return button. Message, daily activities. So what's the daily? Do we have a daily activities here? Okay. As you can see, as I've said earlier, the UI is much better for the S1. Okay. But of course, with the Tank T2, it is much more masculine. For the Tank S1, it's much lighter and with a somewhat a feminine touch when it comes to the design. Okay. But still, these are all durable and with top of the line military grade rating for the smartwatch. Okay, let's check the last one for the watch faces. So we have reloaded watch faces here. Okay, so that's it for the comparison. Okay, when it comes to the design. Okay, for the Tank T2 and of course the Tank S1. Okay, and of course talking about the strap. Okay, so flexible silicone strap for the Tank S1 here, breathable. Okay, well for the Tank S1, okay, the same silicone strap. Okay, breathable silicone strap in white color. Okay, so this is for the Tank S2, I mean Tank T2, and we have the Tank S1. Okay, the same durable strap with steel buckle. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding the Kospet Tank T2 and the Kospet Tank S1 comparison review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Goodbye.